Gather your new electronics. Unplug the power cord from the surge protector and the transformer. Remove the transformer. Connect the universal battery transformer to the power cord. Plug the MDC cord into the universal battery transformer. Remove the control box clip by squeezing the sides of the clip and lifting it off of the control box. Unplug the underbed light from the white sticker port on the control box. Secure the cord out of the way or discard the light. On the control box, unplug the foot massage motor from the red sticker port. Plug one of the massage adapters into this cord. Unplug the head massage motor from the yellow sticker port. Plug the second massage adapter into this cord. Unplug the foot actuator from the blue sticker port. Plug one of the actuator adapters into this cord. Unplug the head actuator from the green sticker port. Plug the second actuator adapter into this cord. Remove the two screws from the control box by using a screwdriver or a drill. Remove the R5N control box from the base. Keep the screws for the new control box. Locate the head side of the new M5W control box and plug the head actuator with adapter cord into the port labeled motor. On the head side, plug the head massage motor with adapter cord into the port labeled massage. On the foot side, plug the foot massage motor with adapter cord into the port labeled massage. On the foot side, plug the foot actuator with adapter cord into the port labeled motor. Plug the MDC cord into the power port at the end of the M5W control box. Place the M5W control box on the underside of the adjustable base. Make sure there is enough room for the cords to fit without interfering with the rods. Using a screwdriver or a drill, secure the control box to the base. Line up one screw on the top and the other screw caddy corner on the bottom. Ensure the screws are tight. Plug the power cord back into the surge protector. The control box will beep and lights will flash for 10 seconds. You can now sync your base by pressing the head up and head down buttons at the same time on your remote. The control box will let out a second beep which indicates your base is synced. If you miss the initial 10 seconds, press the red sync button on the MDC cord for a couple seconds and release. Then press the head up and head down buttons on your remote. Enjoy your new sleep experience.